Oh, legend. All right, sweet. Kick it off with GU for today. Cool. We ended up pushing through and taking out that high yesterday, which is great. We were obviously expecting that, so that's all making sense. Just wicked through it though, and we started to pull back pretty quickly. So, going to be interesting to see what price does from here. We are obviously still in this bearish leg, but I do think and feel like we're going to be going a bit higher. But yeah, we'll obviously wait to see what the charts wants to say. Since we've taken this high, it is a major inducement. It makes a lot of sense for the market to give a pretty reasonable retracement. Obviously, got a lot of imbalance sitting inside of here as well. So we've had a small internal 15-minute break to the downside. We've generated internal retest here. EU has swept its retest. So that's one thing that may cause, so we can see obviously the difference. EU swept and GU hasn't. So that may cause GU to not need to pull up and sweep just because of that divergence. But nonetheless, if GU can come up and induce this point, I'd be open to selling it. It's not my preferred area to sell from. Honestly, the best area to sell from right now would be if we can come up and induce that bit of retest, mitigate some of this area, and then get that sell down from there. Just because we haven't really had any inducements inside of this leg yet, I'd like to complete a structure cycle. So if we could get that, that'd be great of the retest that created the first break of this leg. That would be ideal. But yeah, we'll see what it does. If we can come up and induce this or even like induce this area, fill a bit of that imbalance at least, that'd be great. So we'll see what that wants to do. But nonetheless, I don't want to buy it where it is, even though we are quite bullish. The momentum that we've picked up and that major inducement is going to disqualify buyers for me. So we'll see if this wants to come up and take that. Being the high outside of Asia as well, I'm happy to use it as a medium inducement to be able to sell price back down. What we've got on the euro, obviously, we know already that the euro broke that 15-minute high yesterday. We did retest it, but we're starting to get a bit of a sell off. So what we've had is price had this 15-minute break to the downside. We did induce the retest, obviously, afterwards. We've now pulled up, retested that break, generated liquidity, swept it. So I'm happy to look at this as internal retest. Had a 5-minute break to the downside, come into this area, which is likely a smart money trap. We've got 5-minute break and retest sitting here. If we can pull up, induce that 5-minute break and retest, I'll then work inside of this leg to be able to get some sort of sell opportunity and follow price back down. A little moth flying around. Don't mind me. Yeah, so I'll be looking to sell down from there. If we come up higher, don't really have a whole lot that I like inside of this leg. Obviously, same sort of story as GU. You've got the first break there, retest sitting up above. I'll just monitor it and see what it does as it comes up. But yeah, it can obviously come up and sweep that. But I'm just going to be looking to work with it where it is. AU, I don't want to be doing too much. There's no real breaks or anything inside of here. You get a tiny, tiny 5-minute break up the top just there, but it's nothing. So I don't really want to work with any of this on AU. I'd rather see AU just pull up a little bit further, mitigate this decisional area, and then get that sell off from there. So I'm just going to be leaving AU off to the side for today and have my focus on EU, GU, with the majority of my focus will be on EU. I like its structure the best, given that we do have that inducement. So we'll see what it wants to do, play it by ear. In terms of news for today, let's double check what we've got. We'll double check Forex Factory as well. Okay, we've got, okay, it's CPI. Yeah, okay. So we've got a reasonable amount of news in New York, but nothing for London. Nothing substantial anyway, just a little bit of orange folder. So real good on that sort of thing. So we'll wrap up there, guys. Let me know if you got any questions. But yeah, just to recap, my focus will be on EU for today.